Now, when it comes to transferring a photograph into a line drawing, not everybody is great at sketching. You can grid the image, or is there an easier way to do this? And the answer is yes. There are lots of applications out there, but I'm going to tell you of two applications that I think will work rather nicely for you. One is PicSketch, which is an application that you can get through the App Store. I'll go ahead and open it. And for this, all you need to do is take an image, drag it over into the application, and then you have your line drawing. And if you get confused with pencil lines, just colorize it. And if you need to, you can adjust it to however much color you need. And the other you can get online, Free Picture Stencil Maker. And for this, all you need to do is choose your file, and then you'll have a line drawing, and then you can adjust it to however dark or light you want it. Well, let's go ahead and try another one. Now you know how to make a really easy line drawing from your photograph. Next, we're going to be talking about how to make a large-scale image.